What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face mask out of a sock, and it's really easy. It literally takes less than a minute. I also made this top out of some Nike socks and some Nike keychains or lanyards, so I will link that at the end of this video and in the description box as well if you want to see how I made this super cute top. I am so in love. So if you have some socks laying around, go grab them and let's get started. Alright you guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to click that bell notification symbol so that you're notified every time I upload. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.